Your bank account balance is dropping for reasons you cannot explain. It starts with a single purchase of a hair serum that promised to save your edges. You wanted to support a prominent black-owned brand. You saw the ads for a miracle formula tailored for specific curly hair types. The ingredients list looked like a dream with rosemary and peppermint oil. But now your credit card statement looks like a crime scene. This is the disturbing reality facing anyone who touched this particular hair growth oil in February 2026. The marketing is slick. The promises are bold. Yet the behind-the-scenes data tells a much darker story of consumer fraud and financial traps. We are seeing a massive surge in complaints about unauthorized monthly charges that hit like a ton of bricks. People think they are making a one-time purchase. Instead, they find themselves enrolled in a stealth subscription they never wanted. The Better Business Bureau has issued a failing grade because the company simply refuses to engage with its customers. This is not just a few unhappy people. This is a systemic issue of billing loops that are nearly impossible to break. You try to reach out for help and you get nothing but silence. The support emails go into a black hole. The phone lines lead nowhere. It is a total ghosting of the entire customer base. Even the 120-day money-back guarantee is a hollow promise. It is designed to lure you into a false sense of security. You wait for the results. But the only thing that grows is the list of charges on your statement. When the product does arrive, it is often a mess. Customers are reporting bottles that leak through the shipping boxes. You end up with a sticky, oily package and no way to get a refund. The formula itself actually contains some solid ingredients like stinging nettle. It is a legitimate natural oil that could technically work for your hair. But the business practices are so predatory that the product quality almost does not matter. You are essentially paying a premium to be ignored and overcharged. The financial risk here is astronomical. It is a classic example. A good product is ruined by a terrible business model. Market signals are screaming at people to stay away right now. You might be looking for a way to boost your hair growth. Instead, you will likely end up with a billing nightmare. Protect your money first. There are plenty of other natural oils out there. They do not come with a side of bank disputes. This brand has turned into a major hazard for anyone looking for a reliable beauty solution. Do not let the high-authority marketing fool you into a trap. The data is clear. The complaints are real. Your wallet is the only thing that will be getting thinner if you choose to take this risk. It is a high-stakes gamble that most people are losing. Stay vigilant and watch your bank statements closely. The cycle of unauthorized drains is relentless. This investigation shows that while the oil is real, the ethics are completely missing. You deserve a brand that respects your hair and your hard-earned money. This brand is failing on both counts. Every week, more people are coming forward with the same story of missing orders and empty bank accounts. It is a high-authority miracle treatment that has turned into a financial disaster. The sting of a drained bank account lasts a lot longer than the scent of peppermint oil. Do not fall for the polished ads. Do not trust the refund promise. It is a trap hidden in a beautiful bottle. Keep your credit card in your pocket. You have worked too hard for your money to let it disappear into a void of unanswered emails and leaking glass. Trust the data and stay far away from this mess. It is just not worth the headache.